How to fix laptop screen flickering. What is up everyone? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily fix your laptop's screen flickering. So that might be because of few reasons. The first one could be your hardware problem or software. So we need to figure that out first. In many cases, what happens is if you have connected any kind of cables for a secondary display like an HDMI cable or a VGA cable, you just need to make sure that those cables are uh, firmly insert it into your laptop so that they won't be causing any issue, or you could just try to plug them out. Now, once you have done that, you can plug them in again and to see if the issue still persists. The next step you can try to do is make sure to charge your laptop's battery up to 100%. And then as you can see, the battery status is full. Now I'm just going to plug it out. And once you plug out and restart your device, see if the problem still persists. If that still is the issue, then you're going to have to go to search bar and then search for system configuration. Open this one up. Now you're going to have to go to boot and then turn on the safe boot. So make sure that you turn all of these options on. Click on apply and then OK. And you may need to restart the computer to apply these changes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just exit without restart for now, but you are going to have to press restart and your laptop will be booted into safe mode. Now, if your screen is working fine on the safe mode, then that probably means a third-party application is causing the issue. So for that, you're going to have to go to the app section and then on your system apps, you can just uninstall the app that might be causing the problem. You could also go to your Windows Update tab, and then from here you can go to Update History. Now you can try to uninstall the recent updates. So go to Uninstall Updates, and you can try to uninstall the latest updates because sometimes the latest updates of the window might be causing the issue. Now the final step is to go ahead and right-click on the Start menu to open your device manager. From here, go to Display Adapters. Restart your display adapter, or first disable it and then enable it back again. What I'm going to do is go to update driver and update to see if there is any update available. After doing all of this, just try to restart your computer and the flickering should now stop. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.